Hi everyone, it's me Sanchari and welcome back to my channel Simply Sanchari. Hope you all are doing well. In today's video, I am going to talk about my current makeup favorites that I'm obsessed with. Every time I think of doing my makeup, always pull out these and it gives me a very beautiful, flawless, airbrushed makeup finish. So if you guys are interested which makeup I'm going to talk about, then please stay tuned till the end of this video. So my current favorite is Inside Cosmetics Strobe Cream in the shade Dewy Gold. A beautiful strobe cream, you guys. If you're looking out for a very natural, everyday kind of strobe cream that gives you luminous, healthy kind of finish, you need to try it out. And you get 30 grams of product in 2 shades and it retails for just rupees 299, you guys. You already know Inside Cosmetics is toxic free, cruelty free and FDA approved brand. All of their products are free from any harmful chemical, and this gives a very beautiful luminous skin as if you are glowing from within. And I can say it is very much similar or close dupe to MAC strobe cream. That's how the finish actually looks like. And also the strobe cream feels very moisturizing and hydrating on the skin. It does not exaggerate any of my texture or cling onto any of my dry patches. Let me just try and use the MAC strobe cream on the other hand so that you can see the difference. This is in the shade Pink Light. So that's how the finish looks like. This is inside, this is MAC. Look at it. It gives you a similar kind of finish. On my left hand where I've used the inside one, it has brightened up my skin. Just look at it, you guys. I absolutely am loving this product. Next favorite is Forever 52 Sensational Foundation, which has SPF 50. My shade is 08 Icon. Unfortunately, they just have 8 shades in this and it matches me perfectly. Thank God. I want Forever 52 to extend the shade range in this foundation because it is one of the best foundation available in drugstore in Indian market. It has such beautiful formulation that feels absolutely lightweight, hydrating, has good coverage like medium to buildable full coverage you can get, and it does not exaggerate or enhances any of the texture. I have noticed that once I complete my entire makeup, it gives me a flawless airbrush look and it blends so beautifully with your finger, sponge as well as brush. But if you want to maintain the coverage, you can use a brush. And for your on the go days when you are in hurry going to office, college, just want something on your face, this can be used for your everyday wear. So next one is the Stated Max Fit All Cover Cushion Foundation in the shade 31N French Beige. Not available anywhere on Nykaa, Myntra, Amazon, but you can find this exclusively on Macaroon app. I have got it from there and you get good discount on this. This is the mini size because I really wanted to try the shade first before jumping onto a full size product, and that's how the shade looks like. Luckily, this has a beautiful yellowish undertone which matches my warm skin tone perfectly, and it has a tendency to oxidize. Now what I love about this foundation is it is not your very matte full coverage foundation. Of course you can alter the coverage as per your need, but it has a little bit of sheen which gives you that healthy look. When I got this foundation, I thought it will be totally matte one because I have a dry skin and it will not look good on me. But once I used it, reviewed it, oh my god, I fell in love with the formulation. I think I love it more than the red cushion foundation. And this has a good coverage, as I already said. It is 100% sweat proof, waterproof, humidity proof and transfer proof. It is not going to budge anywhere. I did a complete in-depth review with wear test during harsh summer climate. If you are interested, please check the link in the description, and if you are interested, you can go to Macaroon app or their website and get a shade for you. Next one is Mars Glow Fly Liquid Highlighter in the shade 03 Winged Champagne, which I recently reviewed on my channel, and let me tell you, I am wowed with the because it is very finely milled and gives you a beautiful luminous skin with healthy glow on your face. The radiance is to die for. You can use this liquid highlighter on various parts of your body, like under your makeup, over your makeup as a liquid highlighter, or on any parts of your body to highlight your skin and give you that goddess like glow. Now the shimmer particles is extremely finely milled. It is not chunky or glittery at all, and once you blend blend it out, you will see that it just gets melted into the skin, and you will not even see the shimmer particles sitting on top of the skin, which I really liked about this liquid highlighter. And also the best part, it comes with this kind of doe foot applicator, and it is very affordable. So what you're waiting for? Next are these two blushes from ELF, their Camo Liquid Blush. This is in the shade Pink Summer and this is in the shade Bronze Bombshell. Let me just give you a swatch for both of them. I have already reviewed it on my channel, so please have a look, you guys. If you're a new subscriber or a new viewer, just visit my channel once. If you're a makeup lover and looking out for some good makeup reviews, I think you have come to the right place. So that's how the swatches looks like. Pink Summer, Bronze Bombshell, one of my favorite formulation, and I know it is a dupe for Rare Beauty Soft Pinch Liquid Blush. This, oh my god, is so pigmented. I have two more, but I thought this is something is perfect for brown skin. If you want a very beautiful sun-kissed bronzy look, you can go for the Bronze Bombshell without adding too much. And the next one is this Pink Summer, which has a beautiful muted pink, and it gives you a beautiful healthy flush of color. It is matte, it blends easily, does not cling onto any of the dry patches. If you have used this blush, you know what I'm talking about. Next one is L'Oreal Infallible 24 Hours Tinted Serum Foundation. My shade is 6 to 7 tan. If you are somewhere around NC42, close enough to my skin tone, you can try using this shade. It will be a very close match. Yes, it does oxidize. It oxidizes half a shade to one shade. But if I use a lighter shade of concealer, it balances out well. Now this is a beautiful, hydrating, lightweight, light to medium coverage tinted foundation, which is perfect for your everyday wear. And it is also perfect for all skin types. I know the shades are very limited, but if you fit in these many shades, I think it is a perfect one for you. You can even wear it during your night outs for event if you want to keep your makeup long lasting, because this is one such formulation that I tried in harsh summers because I have a sweaty skin, and it lasted pretty well because this is sweat proof, heat proof, humidity proof, waterproof and sweat proof, and it stands to all those claims. Next one is my recent favorite, Swiss Beauty Select Focus FX Talc Free Translucent Powder. One of you commented why no one is talking about this powder. It is so good, and after hearing all good things from you, I had to give it a try, and guess what? I have been loving this powder since the time I tried it. It is absolutely translucent. It looks very white on the pan, but once you blend it out, it is invisible, you guys, and it nearly blurs all your textures, your pores, and gives you that smooth, soft focus finish with a luminous matte kind of finish, which I'm very loving these days. And it just does not suck the moisture out of your face. It is non-dry, non-cakey formulation. So my friend, if you're watching this video, thank you for your suggestion. I really love this powder, and I would recommend it to all of you. If you are confused between what shade of powder to select for your skin tone, then you can try this translucent powder. And I tried it under flashlight. It did not give me any kind of flashback. I absolutely love the finish, and it feels very much lightweight. Next one is Inside Cosmetics Air Base Concealer. My shade is 05 Golden Sand. It is a new launch, and guess what? My favorite. You can see the packaging is an exact dupe to Maybelline Age Rewind Concealer. If I ignore the packaging, the formulation I feel is much more lightweight, hydrating and crease resistant, because I tried Age Rewind in the past. I did not like the texture and how it felt under my eyes. It just makes my under eyes feels very dry, and also it creases on me and gives me that crusty kind of feeling. But this, on the other hand, doesn't do any of that. The only bummer is it finishes off very soon, you guys. I had this much left, and after using it for continuously a week, only this much amount is left. They have 8 shades in this, and if you fit under this 8 shades, I think you have a perfect concealer for you. It gives you a medium coverage, and it covers every imperfection on your skin. And this shade is my brightening shade. It has that golden undertone, which is not too stark golden, but gives you a beautiful brightening look. Finally, I gave it in and bought the Maybelline Sun Kisser Matte Blush. This is in the shade 33 Berry Brunch. I had seen their previous shade. I was not happy at all. And after Maybelline listened to their customers' feedback, they launched more new shade, which is now available in India. And this shade is going to suit across all skin tones. If you're lighter than me, you can still go ahead and use this. It looks pigmented inside the bottle, but it gives you a very beautiful natural flush of color and gives that soft matte kind of finish. It is lightweight, does not feel sticky, not drying at all, and blends like a dream. This is a must have. Next ones are the Swiss Beauty Satin Comfort Lipstick. I have two beautiful shades which is going to suit across all skin tone. Let me just give you a swatch. This is Brown Bean, this is English Rose. Just look at it. You can pull this shade from your day to night look and it is perfect for your everyday wear. It gives you that beautiful satiny velvety finish which is very comfortable. It also has an illusion to blur out your lips, you guys, and feels very much hydrating and lightweight on the lips and kind of moisturizing. With this kind of formulation, I don't have to worry about my lips getting dry or chappy or flaky because I know it is going to protect my lips for really long time. Now these are not 100% transfer proof or transfer resistant. It is definitely going to come off immediately, even with your light bite of your meals or with heavy meals. It is going to be completely gone, but with such kind of formulation I don't mind retouch-ups at all. Next one is Stater Marks Fit Makeup Fixer, one of my favorite makeup fixer, you guys, to fix my makeup, to lock everything in place. Because I have a sweaty skin, I always look out for makeup fixer that protects and prolongs the wear of my makeup. I have so many makeup fixer: Urban Decay, Benefit, Revolution, ELF, NYX, and this L'Oreal Infallible 3-second setting mist. Despite of all this setting spray, I always get inclined to this because I love how it makes my makeup look. It gives me a very satiny finish without making me look too dewy, and it controls the amount of oil secretion, and also it does not melt down my makeup. It feels very hydrating and lightweight. This is the second time I had to restock, and if you are planning to pick Stater products, you can head on to Macaroon app because they do have some great discount with an extra coupon codes. And the last favorites are these Inside Cosmetics Ultra Smooth Lipstick. I have 3 shades with me and I've already reviewed, given you the swatches and everything. So the 3 shades are Eternity, Belief and Breathtaking. These two are one of my favorite. I can pull off this for my everyday wear. If you are brown skin, a very rich skin tone, you can probably use this shade, and I don't think you need a lip liner with this shade. It is going to give you that very grungy gothic kind of look. And this pink shade is a beautiful classic rosy pink which I really loved it. If I'm wearing this with full makeup on, I don't even need a lip liner, but if I use a lip liner, it is going to enhance the color more. And the shade Breathtaking is a beautiful mauve with rich plum undertone, which is again looks perfect on my brown skin. And the formulation feels very smooth on the skin. It is lightweight, comfortable, hydrating, and does not feel sticky or drying by any means, and it just glides like butter, you guys. However, as I say, this kind of formulation is not very long lasting. It is kind of transfer resistant, but it is going to come off completely after your meals. And I have tried to wear it for longer time. Even after removal, my lips did not feel dry or it did not ran out of the moisture. It retained my lips moisture or the hydration level. Alright you guys, it's a wrap for today. Hope you found the content helpful and informative, and if you did, I think you might also like these. Please don't forget to like, share, subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to hit the bell button. You can also follow me on my social handles, whose link I have mentioned it in the description box. Please come and say hi, and I will see you soon with my next one. Till then, bye bye, take care.